In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Turo support in 2025 step by step. Navigating the process of reaching out to customer support can sometimes be daunting, but I'm here to make it straightforward and simple for you. Let's start off with what to do in the event of an emergency. If you ever find yourself in a situation where there's an accident or injury, the very first step is to call 911 to ensure everyone's safety. Once the emergency services are informed, your next step is to report the incident to Turo by following the safety instructions provided on Turo's incident card. For issues that demand immediate roadside assistance or urgent trip-related concerns, Turo offers a 24/7 helpline. You'll want to give them a call at +1 415 965 4525 if you're in the United States. This number is particularly useful for handling breakdowns or situations where the vehicle is not drivable. Now, if your situation isn't an emergency but you need help swiftly, opting for the in-app or website chat is typically the fastest route. Head over to the Turo Help Center or their main website at turo.com and look for a purple chat bubble located at the bottom right of the screen. By tapping on it, you can quickly begin a conversation with a support agent who will help you resolve most issues. For those of you who prefer speaking over the phone, or if the situation necessitates it, Turo provides a general support line that also offers roadside assistance. Keep this number handy, +1 415 965 4525. Should you need to report an unsafe or unsatisfactory vehicle, you can do so by calling +1 415 963 40109. For claims-related matters, both in the US and Canada, reach out using the following number: +1 415 275 6141. It's also worth mentioning that if you're located outside of the US, Turo's contact page offers specific numbers tailored to different countries. If your concern isn't pressing, such as an account or billing issue, reaching out via email or their contact form is a suitable option. Navigate to the Contact Us section on Turo's help page to submit a ticket. You'll be prompted to fill in details like your name, email, and specifics about your trip or listing. This method allows support to get back to you as soon as possible. Lastly, for hosts or those needing follow-up on claims, remember that claims teams usually operate during business hours. It's advisable to follow up via any email communications you might have received from a claims associate or to use the claims contact steps provided in the Help Center's pages for hosts and guests. This structured approach will ensure you have all the guidance and support you need when contacting Turo. I hope this guide makes reaching out to Turo an easier experience for you. Happy traveling and stay safe.